This is so dusty. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Let me explain. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. It's been a while. I'm sorry. I've been working lots. I only have 8 more weeks of work and then I'm off and I'm gonna make way more videos, but it's just so tough right now. Anyways, how is everyone doing this morning? I hope that you're doing awesome. What is the plan today and what is the plan for this video? Let me sit down over here and I'll tell you. Okay, so as of right now, we are in, there you can see that. So last night we went from Victoria all the way to a place called Jordan River. It's kind of on like the southwest side of the island, right there in Jordan River. And we stayed the night, just making breakfast this morning, just had some coffee. And now we are gonna head off to Port Renfrew. Port Renfrew is, well, it's right there. It's about an hour drive from here. Oceanside, beautiful, beautiful area. Then from there, we're gonna go to Fairy Lake. Fairy Lake is a gorgeous little lake. And then from there, we are gonna go visit this tree. It is the largest Douglas fir tree in the world. Not the largest tree in the world, it just sounded good for a title. But it's the largest Douglas fir tree in the world, which is still very amazing. And it's about 30 minutes from Port Renfrew, or like 15-20 minutes from Fairy Lake. So guys, that is the plan today. I am so excited to make a video, and let's get going. Let's get going. So we decided to take her camper van on this road trip, and so we slept in it last night. It's not as spacious as my truck camper, but it's not that bad. We made breakfast this morning. I actually had a pretty good sleep last night, and so this is where we parked at this campground with this beautiful view in the morning. There's 2 things that this RV doesn't have. One is a shower, and one is a hot water tank. So there's no hot water, but it's cool because you can make breakfast from the couch/bed. Stovetop, a sink. Here's a 12-volt plug-in, so I've got a little inverter right here so you can charge electronics. This is really nice. There's like a little table. There's also a little table that fits in right here, but it just takes up a little bit too much room, so this wasn't bad this morning. And then where Rebecca is, there's a sink back there, and there's a washroom back there. I did a video on this camper. I'll link in the description below if you haven't seen it already, but I kind of go through and show you all the storage and the outside and the inside. I think we're almost ready to go. Can I drive?
Fine.
Yes. Yes. Woo! I love Marv. By the way, guys, the van is called Marvan. Marvan. It's kind of a good name. But for short, we call it Marv. And I just feel like it's just such a Marv. Like, come on, Marv. Get going, Marv. I'm so excited to get out of the city. I've been working lots, as you guys know. I'm just so tired of people. I just need to get out in the woods, and it's so nice to just be on this road, beautiful road. No one's around. We're heading out in the woods, and this is my kind of party. I just need to get out of the city, and I was talking to Rebecca, and she was the same way. So it's just, once you hit that open road, the worries just slip away. And waking up to that beautiful view in the morning, I mean, this is what the RV lifestyle is all about. It's doing this as much as you possibly can. So motivational this morning. Call me Tony Robbins. I'm really happy to be driving Marv too. Look at this little steering wheel. Look at the little steering wheel. So cute. Okay, guys, we're in Port Renfrew now. Port Renfrew. How many do you think's here? 5,000 people live here? 4,000 people? Not many. It basically goes, this is like the bay. It goes that way a little bit, and then there's a dead end. So the only way to get around is you have to go right there, across this bridge, and that is where Fairy Lake is, just over there. So Port Renfrew is just kind of this area right here. That's an old Ford dually right there. He's got a barbecue out front there. What a campsite. With this view. Oh, look at the teardrop trailers! That's one of the ones we thought were very cute when we went and saw them. I put out a Patreon video. Me and Rebecca went and checked out a bunch of those teardrop trailers, and we saw one like that, and it's so cute inside. It's awesome. If you guys want to check it out, just head over to the Patreon page, Taylor Desmond, and you can check it out there. We made it. Ooh, isn't this rustic? Oh, okay, all right. Let's just not hit the biggest smiles on this road. How about that? Class A. Winnebago. Now, I was here a while ago, and I went to a lake up here, and I thought it was Fairy Lake, but it wasn't. It was actually Lizard Lake, and Lizard Lake is about a 10-minute drive from Fairy Lake. So, now this is Lizard Lake, and I've been here before. You may recognize Nimble. Yeah, woohoo! Thank you. So Rebecca's fridge isn't working right now. The propane doesn't work that well on the fridge. It's kind of old. There it is on the right. So we have a little cooler full of lunch stuff. That's a nice RV right there. These guys right beside me have a 9-foot inflatable, just like I have. And they have this little cargo trailer, which is a really good idea. And then on their inflatable, they have wheels out the back, and they're just gonna haul it up right now. Oh, cool.
That's what you need.
Yep, that's exactly what I need, because it's heavy. So as of right now, guys, my tripod is my girlfriend. So, stay right there. After that last scene, we had a nap. I had a nap. You know how I love my naps. And so it's like an hour and a half after that last scene. And what's really nice is that it's sunny out right now, but the lake we're at is so busy now. Not so busy. There's probably like 15 people here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's tubes in the water down there, and there's people walking around. It's just a little bit too busy for my liking. So we're gonna go check it out, and then we're gonna head to a different spot and hang out, and then go find that tree. But I'm really enjoying my day off. All right, guys, we're going to the tree first. The largest Douglas fir tree in the entire world right now. Oh, there's a black bear! Black bear! Black bear! Right here, right here. It just ran out. Poked itself out of the road. Oh, you can hear it. You could just hear it go back in there.
Damn it.
I'm sorry, guys. I should have been quicker with the camera. He just bolted onto the road and then saw me and turned around and ran off. It was a very, very small black bear. I can't believe that, guys. Another bear. We saw one the last time we were out in the woods, and then this time, beautiful. Look at this view, though. So pretty. I forget what I was saying in the last scene, but yeah, we're gonna go find the tree, the largest Douglas fir in the entire world, and we're about 10 kilometers from it right now. Yeah, guys, I took the wrong way. That's not the way. So let's go back that way. For you guys watching, we got lost, and we saw this really good picture area where we could take a picture with Marv, so that's what we're doing. Cha-ching! Good?
Yeah.
You're good. Okay, are you running? You're free! Okay, so we're supposed to go turn right onto Mosquito Creek, Maine, which we did. Keep left up steep hill, we did that. And then it said after a kilometer of that, keep right. Oh, that's my problem right there. It says keep straight, then keep right at Fork.
Which fork?
I know where we're going. We're the only ones here, look. We're the only ones here, and then this sign up here is the start of the trailhead. It says Red Creek Fir, world's largest Douglas fir. And no camping, pack it in, pack it out. But that's the sign, and that is the trail we're gonna go on. With that being said, we did see bear, and we also saw elk. So I am gonna bring my pepper spray, and we're gonna start climbing up there. I don't think it's much of a hike to get there. But yeah, the only one here. Now this is my type of party right here.
Here, you have
Are you ready?
to rumble.
The Red Creek Fir measures 43.7 feet in circumference, 242 feet tall, with a crown spread of 75 feet, which I don't know what that means. You're supposed to make lots of noise not to see bears, right, babe?
Right, we can sing.
What do you want to sing?
The Avril Lavigne song I can sing on the way up.
What Avril Lavigne song is that?
Please,
Holding on,
cause you know I'm here for you.
here for you.
Yeah.
They don't want to hear me sing, just you.
Come on, I want to hear you sing too.
Oh, Jurassic Park, Jurassic Park.
What do you do?
I'll pave the way with my knife. Guys, there it is. Look at that. Here, let's get up close. Just come around the corner. I was complaining about hiking, complaining about how sweaty I was, and then here it is. Red Creek Fir, the world's largest Douglas fir, and then diameter 4.2 meters, height 73.8 meters, proposed BC heritage tree. Dun, 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 dun. That thing is huge. Look at this. Look at how big that is. So guys, I hope that drone footage was okay for you. I couldn't get service, and it would like go up a little bit and stop and lose service and then go up a little bit more, and then once I got it up high, it was low battery and it was like landing in 10 seconds. So I got a quick little glimpse of the tree from aerial view. I can't wait to look at it in post and see how cool it is. Truly, truly amazing. All right, we're heading out of here. Are you getting bit?
Yeah.
You hiding? Actually, can you stand right beside it just to give appreciation to how big it actually is? Perfect. One sec.
Thanks, good stuff.
Okay guys, we're gonna take off. We're getting bit by mosquitoes, and we're gonna go to San Juan River. Oh, like bites everywhere. And then we realized that this road is called Mosquito Main. That's what the logging road is called. So yeah, there's a lot of mosquitoes. There's like 5 mosquitoes in here. We're trying to kill them all.
Down by the river, right by the water, moon burning down, making it hotter. We could have it all to ourselves tonight.
All right, my friends, that is the end of the video. Just went for a swim in the water there. Very cold. Hope you enjoyed the video. You're more than welcome to subscribe if you want. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Until next time, my friends, keep living that dream. Find some adventure in your life. Find a beautiful river like this to end your day at, and life is good. Life is good. Find someone to do it all with. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Keep living that dream. As always, take care, and
Bye-bye.